Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand reshape data using filter function. So for this, we will take one case study. In this workbook, in first column, we are having names and specialization in the second column. Now we want to reshape the data in such a way that we get the name of the students according to the specializations they have opted for, which means that all those students who have gone for marketing, they are filtered from here, and I get the list of marketing students, that is students who have opted for marketing, finance, and operations. Now how this can be done: activate the cell below the marketing, write down filter. Now select the array from here to here, or it can be done with control shift down arrow. And when the selection is completed, press comma. Now make sure that you insert the dollar absolute reference here. So when the cursor blinks in between A and 2, press function F4. Between A and 21, function F4. Now do the selection from here also. B2 to B21, control shift down arrow. When they are equal to what? D1, where marketing is written, D1. And make sure that here also function F4 is activated, so that absolute references are given. Function F4 is activated, and end button. So close the bracket, enter, and the names have appeared. Let us check. So Ashi Sharma is in marketing, Piyush Vidyarthi is in marketing, Savalya Bansi is in marketing, right? Now we want to do the same thing for finance also. Can it be done? Very simple. Just drag it and you see the magic which Excel can do. So these are your specializations which they have opted for, and these are the list of the students which are segregated. So this is how you can reshape the data using filter function in MS Excel. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.